I'm Kevin Shaw, and you're watching the Watercraft Journal. Among all the many watercraft offered by Sea-Doo, one of its most consistently popular models is the Wake Pro series. Designed with the express purpose of towing inflatables, wakeboarders, and skiers, the Wake Pro and its smaller recreation segment sibling, the Wake 155, offers enthusiasts uniquely engineered features that make towing not only easy, but immensely more enjoyable. One of the Wake Pro's most noticeable features is the LinQ Retractable Ski Pylon. Although applicable to all full-size Sea-Doo runabouts, the LinQ Retractable Ski Pylon comes standard on the Wake Pro, providing a compact and secure mount that provides an added 7.5 inches of height when extended. Installing the LinQ Retractable Ski Pylon takes a matter of seconds. First, simply remove the screw top cap and rear seat. Next, the pylon indexes into the deck, rotating a quarter turn in a clockwise fashion. Lastly, slip the A-frame support into the two designated slots and connect it to the pylon. A locking key slips into a relief in the pylon, allowing you to lock the two pieces together. Once locked and secured, the rear seat latches back into place, and then you're ready to go. In a previous video, we showed you the ins and outs of Sea-Doo's slow speed mode, a feature that comes standard on all units equipped with BRP's intelligent throttle control. The Wake Pro has a very special feature, unique to only it and the other Wake model, Ski Mode. Designed to give the driver repeated and precision-controlled launches, Ski Mode digitally sets the towing speed and acceleration rate to best fit the skier or wakeboarder. The process begins by toggling through the different mode settings available to the Wake Pro, either Sport, Ski, Eco, or Touring. To select Ski Mode, simply press the Mode button until Ski Mode appears on the display. Then press the OK button to confirm your selection. Next, the display will prompt you to select your ramp number. A ramp is a pre-programmed setting in the Sea-Doo's computer controlling how hard it accelerates. Number 1 is the slowest and most gentle acceleration curve, and number 5 being the most aggressive. To select a ramp, simply toggle the up or down arrow buttons. To confirm your selection, you can either press the right arrow button or the OK button. Finally, you'll be asked to select a maximum target speed. Regardless of your ramp selection, you can dictate your top speed all by using the up or down arrow buttons. And again, press the right arrow or OK buttons to confirm. After confirming your selection, press the OK button to activate the function. A message saying "Ski Ready" will appear, and there you go. To test out our Wake Pro's lowest ramp setting, we towed some daring young girls around Lake James in North Carolina. With a maximum speed set at 18 miles per hour, we managed to bounce them loose only twice. Impressively, Ski Mode does pretty much all the work for you. Simply engage the throttle wide open and the presets do all the work. Ski Mode even allows you to change the ramp and speed settings at any time. And of course, releasing the throttle or applying the brakes will pause Ski Mode. To pick up where you left off, simply press the OK button to reactivate your previous Ski Mode setting. Lastly, we wanted to see what Ski Mode could offer, so we recruited a daring teenager to let us try to catapult him as far as we could. With a ramp setting of 4 and a maximum speed of 30 miles per hour, our 230 horsepower supercharged Wake Pro had little trouble ejecting our test subject a handful of times, even despite his best efforts. We call that mission accomplished. The Wake series of watercraft from Sea-Doo definitely earned their praise. Chock full of unique and specialized features, the Wake Pro is definitely the right machine for the job. I'm Kevin Shaw, and thanks for watching the Watercraft Journal. Please make sure to check us out at www.watercraftjournal.com Monday through Friday for new articles and videos published each and every day. And give this video a like, share it with your friends, and maybe even leave a comment. We'd love to hear back from you. And if you like this channel and the videos we produce, please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on any updates or future videos. It really does help us continue to keep producing more content entirely free to you.